Hey guys, my name is Jay Murphy. I'm from windowcleaninginc.com. We're a family-owned, operated business here in Parker County. What I want to talk about today is the Waterfed Pole. We use pure water technology to clean your glass. On the inside, we clean traditionally with a squeegee and everything, but on the exterior, we use pure water. And what that is, we take all the contaminants, we use different filters to take everything out of the glass. So it's perfect, pure, clean water. And what that does is when we scrub your glass, it actually wraps itself around and absorbs all the contaminants, all the dirt, everything off the glass, and rinses it off with nothing left. It will dry spot-free. There will be nothing on it. I'm going to give you a brief demonstration here. You can see the water that's left on the glass. There's nothing in that water. It is perfect, clean water. You can see it just running down and there's nothing, no streaking, no anything. And the beauty with this is we also can scrub the frame. It's not just scrubbing your glass. We can scrub the frames, get everything, get the tracks completely clean. So give us a call, 817-341-9366, or check us out at windowcleaninginc.com or facebook.com/windowcleaninginc. Give my wife a call, Jessica, at 817-341-9366. She'll come out and give you a quote and get you scheduled. Thanks for checking us out.